Today, we're addressing a common issue that many of you might have encountered: low microphone volume. 1. Right-click on the speaker icon in your taskbar and select Open Sound Settings. Step 2. In the sound settings, scroll down to the Input section. Click on the device you're using for your microphone. Step 3. Under the microphone properties, click on the Additional Device Properties link. Step 4. In the Properties window, go to the Levels tab. Here, you can adjust the microphone volume. Make sure it's set to an appropriate level. Step 5. If the microphone volume is still low, go back to the sound settings and click on Device Properties under the Input section. Step 6. In the Device Properties window, navigate to the Enhancements tab. Check the box next to Loudness Equalization if it's available. This can sometimes help boost the microphone volume. Step 7. If the issue persists, consider updating your microphone drivers. Right-click on the Start button, go to Device Manager, find your microphone under the Audio Inputs and Outputs section, right-click, and select Update Driver. And there you have it. These steps should help you address and fix low microphone volume issues on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any other Windows 11 issues or tech topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Until next time, happy computing!